guys, it's Angela. So, I filmed this a couple weeks ago, and it's basically just a puddle pour using the pre-made paints from Hobby Lobby, the Master's Touch brand. And basically it was another attempt to try to get some holographic paint and or iridescent paint to actually show up in a painting. And so right now I'm just putting some puddles on the canvas, and eventually you're going to see me add some white, but then also add what is Art Glitterific in the color Clear Hologram, which is kind of holographic, kind of iridescent. Please don't take away my holo card, simply illogical. It's a little bit of both, but I was really pleased with how this one came out. So I don't know. Let me know what you think when you see the end result yourself. So I will let you watch. Oh, yep, that is the holographic paint. So it looks white. It's mixed with Floetrol. And then there's just some black. So it's just the colors mixed with a little bit of white, black, and then holographic. My black was kind of all clogged up. So it took me a minute there to unclog it. So you get to stare at some pretty circles for a minute. Took a little longer than I thought. Normally this is the part where I would be speeding it up, but since I'm recording a voiceover, I can't do that. There we go. Come on, black. There we go. Yay! And it worked. So, anyway, I'm going to let you watch me fill the rest of this and then tilt, and then I will show you the end result now that it's all dry and finished. And it's actually hanging up in my bathroom of all places, because my bathroom is all very bright and colorful, just like this. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah.